In your Microsoft Publisher document, you can create bookmarks within longer documents that allow your readers to easily navigate between the pages. In this case, your newsletter has a table of contents column that we've called Inside This Issue, and it highlights the articles and stories that are included in the upcoming pages within that newsletter. And it identifies what pages those stories are on. But we want to create a bookmark. So to do that, I'm going to highlight the first story that we reference, select hyperlink, and then select from the left-hand column here, place in this document. Now, when you first open this window, all of your pages are going to be titled page title, but you can change the title of those, which I've done for a few of them, and I'm going to show you how to do now. So select page 2 in this case, because our story appears on page 2. I'm going to do change title. And a good rule of thumb is just to name it what appears on that page. So in this case, we're going to say a note from Superintendent Steiner. I'm going to go ahead and rename page 3 as well. And in this case, it's going to be just inside story. If you have multiple articles appearing on a page, you could rename that page to include both titles. So in this case, Jag on the job and Jag sees the world for page 5, because we know that we have multiple entries in page 5. So I still have my first story highlighted in my table of contents, and now I want to select what page I want to create a bookmark into. In this case, page 2. So I select page 2 and I hit OK. Now I'm going to do that quickly for all of my stories here. And I look now and I see that I have not labeled page 2 correctly. There's actually 2 articles on page 2, so I'm going to go ahead and change the title. You can change it as many times as you need or edit it. So in this case, I made a mistake and I can just easily fix it. So now that page title includes both articles. And then I have that highlighted. I'm going to select page 2. Hyperlink, inside story, page 3, page 4, page 5, page 5 again. And then my remaining 2 entries here are both on page 6. So now let's say our newsletter is complete. We've got what looks to be blue hyperlinks. I'm going to save this document, and then I'm going to save the final copy as a PDF. Go to File, Save As, and Browse, and then select from the drop-down of file types. You're going to select PDF and hit Save. Now, when a user opens this document as a PDF, assuming it has been shared by email as a PDF file, they then on their device or their laptop can select these stories that are listed here, and it will immediately navigate them to that page. So it's a direct navigation to areas of interest for them. And utilizing bookmarks can be done in Microsoft Word, Microsoft Publisher, any type of word processing or publishing software that you may use. And it provides a higher level of customer service by creating those automatic navigation tools for your readers to use.